In this video, I'll show you how to advertise your Base44 app step by step. First, make sure your Base44 app is fully completed and published so users can access it without issues. Next, create a short and clear description explaining what your app does and what problem it solves. This helps people quickly understand the value of your app. After that, take screenshots or record a short demo video showing how your app works and what features it offers. Visual content makes your app more attractive and easier to understand. Now start sharing your app on social media platforms such as YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn, or online communities related to your niche. You can also create tutorial videos explaining how to use your app and what benefits users will get from it. This helps build trust and increases interest.